Hey, guys, check this out. If you like to keep your fridge super clean, especially this rubber part right here, which gets really dirty and you're used to clean it with a toothbrush or even those clothes brushes like this one, or a sponge like this, with the thick part, guys, don't do this over time, you'll damage this rubber and wear it out. And that's why sometimes the fridge doesn't close anymore. It loses its seal. So I'm going to give you a tip right now for you to clean your fridge, especially this bar right here, in less 2 minutes. So guys, you're going to do the following. First, get half glass of water, just regular water from Tap Now. Let's add detergent. Feel free to use whatever you prefer, the brand. So here we're going to add 2 tablespoons of detergent. And now, guys, we're also going to need baking soda, all right. If you don't have it, you can use salt instead, which also is going to work. But if possible, use baking soda because it's much better. And here we're going to also add 2 tablespoons. I'm going to go ahead and measure by eye because I'm used to do this. But it is about 2 tablespoons. All right, that'll do the job. Now give it a mix. And finally, let's add vinegar. But it has to be white vinegar or alcohol vinegar, which is the same. It can't be any other. And we're going to add the same amount of water with the same glass. So go ahead and add half glass of white vinegar. And notice that when I add the vinegar, it's going to happen a little reaction here. But it's absolutely normal because of the baking soda. Check it out. It's going to start to foam a little bit. Just mix and wait a little until the foam goes down. All right, and here it is, the foam already went down. Now just to stir some more. And now, folks, our super powerful mix is ready. So now let's do the following. To make it easier to apply, we're going to use a spray bottle like this one. I'll get my funnel to put all of the mixture in. Now just close it, and it's ready to use. Now let's get to the fridge and I'll show you how we're going to apply this. So as I said before, folks, this rubber usually gets pretty dirty. And here's where people go wrong. Scrubbing with a brush or something like that. Don't do this. So here's the thing. Take your mixture, then just go ahead and apply it like this, spraying it all over the rubber. Up here too. And now let's leave the product acting for about 1.5 minutes. The mixture will start to act by softening all the dirt that is a stocking here. And then all we're going to do is to remove the product along with all this dirt. All right, folks, it's been a minute already. And now let's take a rack like this one and just go ahead and wipe it off. And guys, check this out. Look how easy it cleans. Look at this. It removes all the dirt. It's amazing. We can already see a big difference from this other part right here. Let's wipe here too. And here it is, folks. I finish it and take a look. Honestly, tell me if it didn't make a difference. Right here in the middle, you know that it gets pretty dirty. And look how clean it is right now. Much better, isn't it? This little mixture is really powerful. It's amazing. You can repeat this process on the rubber every 15 days to avoid that ugly and dirty look. And also, it won't damage the seal of your fridge. So guys, try this at your house because I'm sure you're going to love the result. Thank you for watching this video so far. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. See you in the next video. Bye.